If you want to go up the ladder, then you either need to go in the technical stream where you become an architect. Otherwise, you need to move up the management ladder. I kind of get the academic knowledge of the businesses that I have been a part of, but mostly on the technical side. So I wanted the business knowledge of the same on how things run and how I can do it better. I'm Parikshit Dhodapkar. I work in the semiconductor industry. I have around 18 years of experience. Over the years, I've had a lot of experience earlier on the technical side. I've been a RTL design engineer. Then I have moved on to engineering management. Currently, I'm a senior staff program manager at Alpha Semi. I do need something more in the academics to go up the ladder over here. When I looked around for executive MBAs, especially available in India, which I could do while I was working, I don't think there is any good alternative to ISB PGPMAX at present in India. Course is structured in such a way that you get to learn everything from the basics of your stats and accountings to your leadership roles, to your marketing, competitive strategies. So you kind of get the holistic views of how an organization runs, or how it is supposed to run, or how it can be made better. The cohort is from so many different backgrounds. We have people from manufacturing, defense, from finance. We are learning, but what we are also learning is through others' perspectives. The effectiveness completely changes when your domain changes. But still you can apply some of the processes. That is where the large spread of cohort in various backgrounds is really helping a lot.